Hi moms, my name's Buffy and I help moms feel more confident, more comfortable and beautiful in your own skin, and more free to have the space and time to do what you want with your life while also being a mom. So this tip is actually for introverted moms who are having a hard time with all the small talk situations that we naturally have in mom life. Whether it's dropping off your kids at school, at a kid activity, soccer, baseball, it just keeps going. As soon as your kids especially get into elementary school, there are so many situations where you really have to socialize. And I know that can be hard. It can cause anxiety for moms who don't like doing that. But here are some tips that always work no matter what situation you are in. Pull these out of your toolbox and you'll feel comfortable. You'll at least have a plan. So my first tip for introverted moms who need help with small talk is ask questions. You cannot go wrong if you ask questions. You can ask a ton of questions. People love to be asked questions. It makes them feel good, and it also will give you a plan or just a go-to if you're in a situation where you're feeling uncomfortable and a lot of people are around. A good one, I think, is where are you from? Because that can open the door to other questions, and it's really getting kind of like insight into someone's life. So I feel like it makes everybody feel good. But I would write down a list of questions that you could commonly ask. Where are you from? Always think of who, what, where, when, why. Old school, but it works. Who are your kids? Where are you from? How long have you lived here? Why did you move here? Things like that. Who, what, where, when, why. You can't go wrong. 2, give a compliment. I know you might be thinking, because introverts tend to overthink, well, what if it doesn't sound genuine? You know what? Everyone loves a compliment. You could even say something like, oh, I like your bag. Where did you get it? Then that's another question. And that will just make the small talk and the conversation that much easier. Compliments work. Number 3, and this is a good one because if you really, really, really feel uncomfortable, these are the people that will help you. Number 3 is find the extrovert in the room or find the extrovert on the playground. The extroverted people love to talk. They really don't even care who they're talking to or what they're talking about. They just love to be engaged and bantering back and forth. So if you see the person that seems like they're chatting or seems like they know a lot of people in the situation, that's actually a good person to go up to and to say, hey, do you know what time the game's supposed to start today? Or, oh, did you hear about school pictures? Do you know what day they are? I was forgetting. Anything to just engage the extrovert will make it easy for you. Extroverts love to talk to everyone. So those are my 3 tips. Ask questions, give a compliment, find the extrovert in the room. And there you go. I think those 3 things will arm you with tools to feel more confident and feel like you can make small talk in any situation. Thanks, moms, for listening. Let me know what you thought about that tip. You can leave a comment or give me a thumbs up if you liked this. And other places you can find me, I'm on Instagram at ebuffy. E is an electronic, Buffy. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.